Hi all, welcome to this video on 1 mark questions of class 10. We are going to see 5 questions from linear equations in 2 variables. These are the 5 questions we are going to discuss in the videos. I would advise that you pause and attempt the questions first before seeing the further slides. Alright, let's go to the first question. The first question says, pair of linear equations y equals 0 and y equals minus 5 has dash solutions. Y is equal to 0 and y is equal to minus 5. If you're going to draw this on the coordinate plane, y equals 0 is going to be the same as the x-axis. This is the line y equals 0. And y equals minus 5 would be somewhere here. This line, which is parallel to y equals 0, would be the line y equals minus 5. As I've just mentioned, these two lines are parallel, and parallel lines have no solution. So you would say that the pair of linear equations y equals 0 and y equals minus 5 has 0 solutions. Let's look at the next question. Is the following system of linear equations consistent or inconsistent? Give reason. You would say that a pair of linear equations is consistent only if it has solutions. Either it should have one solution or many solutions, doesn't matter. At least one solution should be there. And you would call it inconsistent if there is no solution. So let's check for the ratio of the coefficients here. The ratio of the x coefficients, that would be 3 by 9. We call this ratio as a1 by a2. This is same as 1 by 3. The ratio of y coefficients, which is b1 by b2, is 2 by 6, again equal to 1 by 3. But c1 by c2 is 11 by 7. Here you get that a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2, but not equal to c1 by c2. When this happens, we call such kind of equations a pair of parallel lines, right? This is the condition for parallel lines. And as we saw in the previous slide, parallel lines means that there is no solution. So the answer over here would be that this system is inconsistent. The third question. Find the value of k for which the system of equations x plus 2y equals 3 and 5x plus ky plus 7 equals 0 has no solution. No solution, parallel lines. So a1 by a2 must be equal to b1 by b2, not equal to c1 by c2. What is a1? Coefficient of x, which is 1. a2 would be coefficient of x in the second equation, which is 5, is equal to b1 by b2. 2 by k, and it should not be equal to 3 by 7, which is the coefficients. Which is the constants. So you have minus 3 by 7 here as a ratio of the constants. Any which ways 1 by 5 is not equal to minus 3 by 7. So yes, there should be some value of k for which there is no solution. Now let's look at 1 by 5 equals 2 by k. This just means that k is equal to 10. That's the answer for the third question. The fourth one. Find the coordinate where the line x minus y equals 8 will intersect the y-axis. Line x minus y equals 8 will intersect the y-axis. Now, any point which intersects the y-axis, any point on the y-axis would have an x coordinate of 0. So you would find that this point might be 0, 1, this would be 0, 2, this could be 0, minus 1. No matter which point you take on the y-axis, the x coordinate will always be equal to 0. Substitute this in this line. So x minus y equals 8 or 0 minus y equals 8. This just means that y is equal to minus 8. So the coordinate over here would be 0, minus 8. The last question says that the system kx minus y is equal to 2 and 6x minus 2y is equal to 3 has a unique solution only when. What is the condition for unique solution? Unique solution means that a1 by a2 must not be equal to b1 by b2. a1 over here would be x coefficient in the first one, which is k. a2 is 6. This should not be equal to minus 1 by minus 2. Cross multiply over here. You get k must not be equal to minus 6 by minus 2, which is the same as k not equal to 3. And that is our answer for this question. That's it for our 5 questions for today. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you.